Do you want to know how you can log into your KL mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your KL mutual fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar and then search for KL mutual fund login. Click on the first link, which is the official site of KL Mutual Fund. You must know that KL Mutual Fund has turned into public mutual online. So go ahead and click on the first link and it will take you to this page. This is the login portal of PMO, and you can see that you can write down your user ID, click next, and you can see is your personal login phrase correct. So go ahead and click yes and then write down your password. After you write down your password, go ahead and check your password by clicking on this icon and make sure your user ID and password are correct and then click login. This way you can log into your KL mutual fund account. If you have forgotten your password or user ID, this is the link for you to recover your account back. I hope this video about how you can log into your KL mutual fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.